groovy up in here. All right, guys, I'm Rob, and we're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and I'm going to do a full walkthrough on this Brinkley 297 Air Model Z. Let's check it out. So on the front of this Brinkley 297, you're going to see that has the BAL Auto Leveling System. This is a really nice system. You're going to be able to go to the campground, push a couple buttons, things going to auto level for you. Really nice. A lot of people want that. Brinkley gives it to you. You get this big box, guys, so this is really nice. It's going to house your propane tanks. In the back, it's going to house your batteries. You can open both sides of that. Really nice to be able to keep these propane tanks and batteries kind of out of the weather. And Brinkley does a really nice job of putting a nice box in there for you. Those are 30-pound tanks, by the way, guys. So on a travel trailer, you get 30s instead of 20s. A little bit more propane's nice. On the front of your Brinkley, of course, you're going to see those big white lights. Now, those are really nice lights. They're not overpowering. They're not going to blind your neighbor. These are really clean, soft white lights, so at night, it's going to really dress up this Brinkley. Now, let's check out the camping side. So coming down the camping side of this Brinkley, one thing you're going to notice is that it has a huge pass-through storage. We're talking putting full-size totes in there, no problem. You got lots of space. You can see it's got a holder for your jack tool to get those slides in manually if you need to. Over here, you're going to see switches. Now, we have 3 of them. One thing Brinkley does for you is they give you a storage mode disconnect, which is going to disconnect everything to and from the battery. They give you a travel mode disconnect, which allows you to travel with the battery disconnected, but still allows you to run the jacks, the slides, those things. Keeps the solar charging, our battery going down the road, which is really nice. And then you have a switch for your solar controller. So if you are in covered storage, you don't want that solar controller trying to pick up sunlight, you can cut it off. Brinkley does a really nice job with that. You're going to see a light switch there. That's for your interior LED lights in your pass-through. You have an outdoor shower right there, so hot and cold, quick connect hose for that, which is really nice. You have a drop, so you can drop it through the floor if you want, hook up a garden hose to it, and go all over the camper with hot and cold water if you needed to. Really nice setup on this Brinkley. Now, coming down the camping side of the Brinkley, you're going to see 2 awnings. That's something that Brinkley does that I really like about their travel trailers, is they give you 2 individual awnings with LED lights under those awnings. So not only are the awnings on separate switches, we can run one or the other, but the awning lights are actually on separate switches too. So if you only want one awning light on, you don't have to have them both on, or you can turn them both on. I think that's a really cool too. You don't see that with travel trailers. It's usually either they're both on or both off. Brinkley allows you to run one or the other. You're going to see these windows. These windows are frameless. They do a square frameless window. I really like their windows. Dual pane is an option if you want. They also are fold out windows, and Brinkley gives you 6 inches of lift instead of the standard 3 that you get with most travel trailers. So a little bit bigger airflow in these Brinkleys as well. But really clean side, really clean camping side of this camper. Now let's check out the off-door side. So starting at the front of the camper on the off-door side, you're going to see in your pass-through here, they give you a Nautilus system. Now this is a P4 Nautilus system, has 3 valves to turn for every water situation you can possibly be in. What's really nice about this is it does your city water, it does your fill for your fresh water tank. It also does your winterizing. So there's no more crawling under a cabinet or a door to get to those valves to turn. You do it all standing upright out here, which makes winterizing and camping in this thing a breeze. Now, one thing Brinkley does for you, you can see it's kind of got black hoses coming out here. These are your water hoses, right? And they're on a retractable hose. So you have 30 feet of this water hose here for you, already hooked up. You ain't got to worry about where I'm going to put the hose. You know, it's already ready to attach to the spigot, which I think is really nice as well. One thing you're always going to see in Brinkley's, they dress it up a little bit. They give you electronic dump valves. So you have a dump valve for the black, a dump valve for the gray. I really think that's nice. You don't have to get your hands dirty. Hook your hose up, push a button to dump it when you're ready to dump that valve. So it makes living in a camper a little bit easier. Coming on down, you're going to see a tankless hot water heater. This is something all campers are pretty much doing now, is going tankless. On-demand hot water heater. Brinkley knows you want it. They're going to give it to you there. You get a sewer hose holder because there's no true bumper on the back to put the sewer hose in. This one goes all the way across the camper. 20-25 feet of sewer hose, no problem in that guy. I like that you get a central hookup on your power, so you get a 30-foot cord with this Brinkley. Being in the center of the camper, it doesn't really matter if your power hooks up in your front or the power hooks up in the rear. Being in the center, it's really not a problem on parking the camper. Of course, you get a furnace, gas furnace. Everybody knows about that. And you're going to get little things on these Brinkleys like manual cranks for your slides. These big slides in the back have the ability to be manually cranked if something was to go wrong, not leaving you stuck at the campsite. That's a big deal for a lot of customers. Now, if the front storage wasn't enough, one thing really cool is they give you this back storage as well. We're going to see a plug-in in there. We're going to see a light, everything that you need in the back storage. Really big. Put all your chairs, your tents, all that stuff back here, that the big bulky stuff that we want to take with us. Perfect place for that back here. You're going to see a 300-pound hitch below that. With a 4-way flat, so if we need to extend our lights, we can. But 300-pound or a 3,000-pound trailer, whichever comes first on that. We get nice LED lights with the reverse lights built in. One thing Brinkley's going to do for you is they're going to give you the Fury on camera. You're not just prepped in a Brinkley. It's actually included with the camper. So you're going to get a $700 camera system included in this Brinkley, which I think is really nice. Everybody wants it. Brinkley goes ahead and gives it to you. And look at this ladder, guys. This is a beefy ladder, really wide. Bigger guys like me have no problem climbing up and getting on this Brinkley because of this nice ladder. So coming into the Brinkley, right inside the door is going to be your control panel. You know, that's a big deal. When coming in the camper, we need to be able to turn the lights on and turn what controls we want on as soon as we come in. One thing you're going to see is you get pendant lights, island lights. Those are decorative lights, but your main lights are on a switch. They also have a dimmer built in, so we have the ability to turn those lights on and off or dim them down. That's going to be the same for the bedroom as well. I really think that's a nice feature. Speaking of switches, you're going to see a lot of switches in a Brinkley. They give you light switches for everything, for all the lights just about. So that's nice too. You know, makes staying in your Brinkley a little bit more homey to actually have a switch than having to push button the lights. One thing really cool about this is everything here, your awnings, your slides, your lights, all this that's done from touchpad is also app controllable. So if you want to download the Leopard app and control your Brinkley from your phone via Bluetooth, you can with this guy. So coming into the kitchen, you're going to see a really nice bar area here, whether you're using it for maybe coffee bar or maybe even a margarita bar. You get this nice countertop with a nice light. That's a 2 stage light, so high and low on that light. You get plug-ins up top, which is really nice. Big cabinets overhead, kind of get a little cubby here. Nice cabinets and drawers underneath. A huge pantry guy with a built-in light. Now, one thing you're going to see in this pantry is you can see it's got a plug-in, so anything that you need to charge out of sight, out of mind stuff, you can do in this closet. They also give you access to the plumbing in the shower, so if something was to go wrong or if something was to need to be fixed in your shower, you have an access point for that. Furnace is down below that as well. Coming into your kitchen, you're going to get a 12-volt refrigerator. One thing really nice about having a 12-volt refrigerator is these Brinkleys have 380 watts of solar. So running the fridge going down the road, it'll run off your truck and those solar panels. So it wouldn't matter where you headed in the country, the fridge will run the whole way there off of the battery, which I think is really nice. You get a residential microwave, so we're not forced to put stuff in a smaller microwave. You get a full residential size microwave. Get a 3-burner stovetop with a little bit bigger oven. I think it's really nice that they give you a little bit deeper oven in this guy, so those bigger casserole dishes and stuff you want to cook, you can in this oven as well. Now, one thing really cool is that the TV's on the televator, so we can raise that TV up, we can watch it, or we can lower it back down and get our window back, get our views back of that campground that you're in. So it's really nice. Below this fireplace, right, we have an electric fireplace in this model. I have a little surprise for you when we get to the bedroom. This might not be the only fireplace. We'll see that when we get in there. You got a couch that makes a bed. This is a tri-fold sofa. You can see it has this ottoman in front of it. One thing really cool about this ottoman is it does an eating table height. So we can lift it up, you turn it around, you can eat by it. Extra storage for those blankets, those pillows we want to take with us, or anything you want to put in there, maybe games we'll take with you. Really nice ottoman with this guy as well. One thing before I go on around, you can see that it's got plugs and USB charging ports in the back there. That's on both sides of the couch, plus you've got extra little storage, hinge storage in here, so we can put kind of, you know, those outside out of mind things we want to hide. We can put those in there. I think that's really cool, and that's on both sides of the couch. Your recliners, a little bit nicer recliners than what you see in normal campers. Instead of that pull cord, you're actually going to get a lever that reclines these for you. You can see she's got heat charging ports in there. You get a wireless charging port for your phone, just lay in there. Not only that, but you have 2 extra USB charging ports inside your storage of the armrest there. So you're going to have plenty of electricity options while you're sitting in your recliners. Now, the cool thing about these Brinkleys, a lot of these floor plans have this multi-function desk / table in them. And this is really cool, guys. And you talk about easy. Of course, it's got a drawer in it. But one thing we can do is we can quickly pull this out. Comes out really easy, locks out. Not only does it do that mode, we can put it in the middle. We can put it all the way down here towards the door. We can move our chairs, one on both sides. We can set the chairs on both sides. This guy does like 7 different functions. It's really cool. Underneath, you've got a wine rack for a little extra storage if you want to do that. These chairs, of course, you can see they kind of match the flow. They match the recliner material. And these are really comfortable, believe it or not. These saddle chairs are really nice. But this guy just slides right in there. It almost pulls itself back in there for you. Anybody can do that, guys. So coming into the bathroom, really nice. So you get the max air fan controls. We don't have to reach up and try to open the vent, turn it on. You can open the vent and turn it on with a touch of a button. I really think that's cool. 4-speed fan. It's a bigger fan too. Pulls out a lot more air for you. 2 light switches. You have these LED lights in top and around the mirror. You also have LED lights in the shower. And then you get a 3-drawer drop with a big cabinet underneath. And we've got a pass-through storage here. We'll show you that in just a second. And then, of course, you got a porcelain foot flush toilet, which is really nice. Really nice shower. So you get a trifold glass doors. You get a shower that does 3 different spray options with front, rainfall, and then your wand spray. I really think that shower is nice. Plenty big enough for, you know, to do anything you want to do in there. So I told you, you could do a pass-through from the bathroom into the bedroom. So you have shelves here, 2 side shelves. You can load your towels up in here and grab them from the bathroom. How cool is that? All right, guys. So also this pass through to the bathroom is your washer and dryer hookup. So if you wanted to do an all-in-one combo, these shelves will come out, right? They move. You can put your washer and dryer in there. Really nice. So you do have an extra plug in there for that and the water hookups. You got big drawers going down and cabinets underneath. You got hanging wardrobes on both sides of the bed with big, deep wardrobes. 2-drawer going down. Plug-ins down low on both sides of the bed. Up in the head of the bed, you get cubbies on both sides. Inside the cubbies are light switches for these overheads. You get his and hers, so whoever sleeps on this side, right, controls this light and vice versa. But that's all tucked away in the cubbies. True queen bed in this, so a true 60 by 80 queen bed in this model, which is nice if you're a longer, taller person, right? And look underneath this bed, guys. So one thing that Brinkley does really cool in their bedrooms is they give you these little storage areas, but this right here, this is a safe. We're talking a lockable metal box that you can put all your valuables in while you're at the campground going to get something to eat in town or whatever. Lock it up in here, feel a little bit more secure about everything. Before we leave the bedroom, I wanted to show you, yes, you get a TV, but you get a second fireplace. How nice is it to be able to have electric heat in the bedroom? These chilly nights that we've got going on right now, I can guarantee this thing would be running at night if I was staying in it. Not only do you have a fireplace, but Brinkley knows you're going to have dirty clothes. They give you a hamper, built-in pull bag hamper to put your dirty clothes in. Pull the drawstring, take them to the laundromat with you. Really nice feature, guys. So if you're interested in this 297 Air Model Z Brinkley, then, give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online at cookevilleRV.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.